Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out Higgsfield Audio, and they have in their cinema studio some new features to allow you to describe the sounds you imagine. You can do voiceovers using a a lot of different voices, and they even got a change voice situation and a translate situation. So I'm going to be trying out all these features, and one of the things that I love about playing with these kind of studios is you get the latest and greatest models. So fingers crossed, in a few months time, this awesomeness will be coming to your applications very soon. And yeah, I do this. I've got this application called Xcreate. You can do this stuff kind of thing locally. Of course, just images at the moment, but adding in these features will be fun. Let me know if you want to see that kind of stuff. But for now, let's jump into the cinema studio, and we've got a voiceover right here. And these are all the different voices. Oh, Roman.
I am Roman. Think of me as the heartbeat of your story.
Hello, Roman. Gia.
Hey, I'm Gia.
Hello, Gia. Roxy.
If you're looking for a sound that's equal...
Hello, Roxy. That's some exciting stuff. So you got 11 over here, that model. You got Minimax. Not only do they make one of the best local AI models for controlling agents, they have also got speech, and they got all these kind of crazy stuff. But you got vibe voices. Now you got all these presets over here, but you can also create a custom voice. You pretty much just upload your voice or whatever voice you want to upload. Boom, it's going to be good. Now, one thing I do actually want to see if this will work is I want to do that translate feature, because there's so many foreign films that I just want it dubbed in English, yo. For example, Passion of the Christ. It's in Aramaic. I want to watch it, but I just can't speak Aramaic. It's too hard for me to read the subtitles. So imagine if I can do this. But for now, let's just see if it actually works. So I've got it jumped in over here. I'm going to start with voiceover first. Oh, what have I wrote here? I've got Japanese, because I've been playing with Google. I've been playing with Google Translate. So I'm going to just see with my favorite one. What was her name? Was it Pixie or something like that?
I'm Maya. I expect luxury isn't just...
Oh, I like Sloan. So I'm going to generate that. It's 0.15 credits. So there's not even 1 credit. It's 0.15 credits. So I'll show you the pricing at the end. So we're going to be generating that in Japanesio.
こんにちは。私はカエルです。あなたは私のお姫様です。
Oh, that's nice.
あなたは
So I'm going to download that. I want to see if it can translate Japanese back to Englishio. And it says here that I need a reference video. So I'm going to have to get an image and make that MP3 file into an MP4 file. So I'm going to jump into Xcreate quickly. Japanese samurai. So boom, we've generated a nice image we can use. So I'm going to go inside a terminal here, and I've got something called FFmpeg installed, and that allows me to convert images and audio into videos. So I'm just going to paste this command in there, and it's going to take the image.png. I'm going to add in the audio that we just saved, and we're going to convert it into output.mp4.
こんにちは。私はカエルです。あなたは私のお姫様ですか?
Now, don't worry, I'm sure very soon they're going to enable you adding in audio, not just videos. But for now, let's reference that video here. I've got translate. It's going to translate it back to English, and we're going to find out what is actually saying Japanesio. And if you can speak Japanesio, write down in the comment section to show us that you guys are smarter than us. And of course, we can never know if you're telling the truth. You could just watch the video to the end and just pretended that you knew. Konnichiwa. Video's updated. I'm going to do generate. Now, this one is going to take 12 credits because it's processing the actual video with it. Of course, it's just an image. I just want to find out if it's going to work, the translate button. And let's see the languages it can support. It can support English, Chinese, French, Hindi, Korean, Spanish, Finnish, Filipino, pretty much all the languages you could need if you were limited to these languages. And poof, can it do Aramaic? Because that's the dream. That's the dream. One Aramaic, so I can see this movie that I've always wanted to watch. Has anyone actually seen it? Is it good? It's got the guy from Person of Interest, so I really want to watch it. It's really cool. I saw Sound of Freedom as well. That's really cool. Person of Interest was fun as well. I haven't seen any of his other... Actually, I saw one with J-Lo, and that one was really dumb, but it was a bit of fun. So check it out. The video is now translated.
Hello, I am a frog. Are you my princess? Are you...
Hello, I am a frog. Are you my princess?
Yeah, that's what it said in Japanese. What I did was I used Google Translate,
Hello, I'm a frog. Are you my prince?
translated it over to Japanese,
こんにちは。
and I used this Higgsfield to actually turn it into something sounding nice.
Tatiana. Hello, I am a frog.
That's pretty cool. So easy as that, you can just translate away. Now, in case you don't know Higgsfield, they are like an AI video, image, audio translation suite. Oh, what's that? That's a nice picture. Generated with AI. It gives you the prompts that they use to generate, so you can make images just the same. You know, it's pretty slick. And you got videos. Boom, all this guy just looking fancy pants. We can see that for credits, it's around 150 credits per month for the $9 plan. And then you get the ultimate plan, the creator plan. Lots of money there, but you get 1,200 credits there, 6,000 credits there. So we saw with making this audio situation, it took 12 credits to make a video translation. I obviously just used an image because I was trying to see if it would work. But for a basic voiceover, generating it was only 0.15 credits. Very, very cheap. And changing the voice, that's only 1 credit. And I'm going to use the same video. So let's just see what happened there.
こんにちは。私はカエルです。
It's going to keep the same Japanese, but it's going to change it to the Sloan voice. And I'm also going to smash out some more stuff. I want to say, hope you guys, I want to make myself sound like.
Hi, I'm Julian. I specialize in a narration style that feels like a shared confidence.
Right, I share your confidence. Generating that, he took like 0.3 credits. I think it was worth it. 0.15 a bit more. But yeah, easy as that. Made some audio, made some stuff. Let me know what kind of audios you guys are doing. If you want to see the stuff running locally as well, let me know as well. Check it out. Coming soon to Create.
Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
And enjoyed the show.